Welcome to Techzam, your trusted provider for ATM and point-of-sale services.
Founded in 1988, Techzam has over 3 decades of experience delivering trusted solutions for ATMs and point-of-sale equipment. Today, we continue to lead the industry, providing top-quality ATM and POS parts. Whether you need brand new, reconditioned, or fully tested working parts, we've got you covered. From inventory management to expert repairs and refurbishing services, we ensure that every part we offer meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. What sets Techzam apart? We're members of Sphere Alliance Corporation, a network of companies with global presence in the US, Mexico, Spain, Portugal, and Hong Kong. Together, we offer a comprehensive range of services, including field services, repairs, inventory management, logistics, reconditioning, refurbishing, and training. No matter where you are in the world, we have the expertise and resources to support your needs. Techzam is best known for providing multi-vendor solutions. We stock parts from leading manufacturers like NCR, Diebold, Wingcore, Triton, and Hyosung. Our state-of-the-art diagnostic tools and testing machines ensure that every repair we perform is done with precision. Plus, with next-day delivery and a robust online store, we make sure that all the parts you need are always in stock. Techzam also offers a unique buyback program. We purchase used equipment from banks and independent deployers all over the world. Once it reaches our facilities, we strip down the machines, carefully recondition, test, and restore usable parts. These parts are then placed back into our inventory, giving the equipment a second life. Not only do we support your business, but we're also committed to sustainability with our Zero Carbon Footprint initiative. As the demand for sustainable solutions grows, we're expanding our reach and strengthening our partnerships around the globe. Techzam, providing the parts, services, and solutions you can trust.
To learn more, visit us at techzam.com and our online store, happyatms.com.